Hello again. For those visiting for the first time, I'm George and I want to welcome everyone to the second episode of What Does Going Green Mean? Last episode we went over what does going green mean and the 5 principles everyone should adopt in their everyday lives in order to protect the environment from harm, helping to ensure that living on Earth is sustainable. Today we will go over the first principle. Reduce pollution. In our day-to-day activities, we actually release substantial amounts of toxic substances, or pollution, into the environment. Think about the shampoo, soap and cleaning detergent that you use. Many of them contain chemicals that are washed down the sinks and pipes, into drains, rivers, reservoirs or even the sea. Now, think about the fast food lunch you may have had. In the process of producing the bread, meat patty and salad for the burger, chemicals in the form of pesticides, man-made fertilizers and even hormones are released into the lands, water and air. And the wrappers used in packaging the meal is bound for the landfills and incinerators, because it is very hard to recycle them. In turn, harmful gases are released when the wrappers, as well as other waste, are buried or burned. Think about the car that you drive to work, or even the bus or cab that you take to your office. These vehicles emit carbon dioxide, or greenhouse gases, and toxic substances like lead into the atmosphere. These gases and toxic substances are harmful to living things, including the human body, and contribute to climate change and global warming. We haven't even reached the part on the amount of chemicals and poisonous gases produced by factories and industries, in the process of manufacturing the various items we use, such as electronics, clothes, paper and plastic products, furniture, packaged food, etc., or from the extraction of energy resources, like oil, coal, and natural gas from the earth. In our modern-day life, it may be hard to leave zero trace of toxic substances, or create zero pollution in our activities. Many of the things that we use on a daily basis contain some form of chemicals or are produced using some form of chemical. Despite the pollution caused, we would still need to travel to work, whether by private or public transport. And we definitely need to consume food. Nevertheless, what going green means is to reduce the impact of our daily activities on this earth.